The engine hatch on this boat wasn't staying open properly, and that's not just annoying, it can actually be dangerous. So today I'm fixing the shock and the lock to make it work the way it should. The original shock was missing, so I needed to get a replacement. Before ordering one, I took some measurements to make sure it would fit properly. The required length came out to around 50 centimeters, which gave me a good reference when choosing the new shock. The new shock arrived without mounting brackets, so I decided to reuse the original ones. To make them work, I had to clean them up a bit by drilling out the old leftover material from the previous installation. After that, they were ready to be used again. Installing the shock was pretty straightforward. Since I reused the original brackets, everything fit right into place without any issues. Next, I focused on the locking mechanism. It was missing a small but important component, so I improvised and made one using an old bolt. With a bit of trimming and adjustment, the lock started working properly again. Small fixes like this might not seem like much, but each one brings this boat closer to launch day.